back, my YouTube friends and family, or welcome if you're new here. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I think I have 6 different job leads in today's video. We've got some what I think is non-phone, like through email and like online chat or through like an app. Customer support. We have a couple of quality assurance jobs. We have, I think, some accounts payable and even some phone regular customer service for those of you who maybe just are looking to get started in the work from home realm, get some experience, and you don't mind being on the phone. Of course, the customer service job is very high paying. So hopefully I got a little bit of a mixed bag, something for everyone to share with you today. There is a link in the YouTube description box that goes to my website. The page that link is going to bring you to will list in order all of the pages that I share, the Glassdoor pages if you want to read reviews on these companies, or these job application pages if you want to look at more detailed information and put that application in. Timestamps are also in the YouTube description box. But real quickly before we get started, I did just want to ask, I seen a comment and I've really not said anything. I have put links in my YouTube description box and on my website to my Amazon storefront and videos, but I've not really advertised it or said anything about it on my channel. But someone has noticed, and so I got a comment that someone would like more information on that. So just real quickly, a little bit about that, what that is. I got started in January. I threw up about 30 review videos or so, maybe 28, not a whole lot of review videos in January. And then I've not done really anything else with that because I've kind of poured all of my time into this channel and my website, helping you find the best work from home jobs. That is really where my passion lies. But the Amazon thing is, once you get set up with them, you review products that are sold on Amazon and you can like have your little videos featured on the Amazon sales pages. So if someone is looking for a product and they go to the sales page, normally when you're looking at something on Amazon, there's several pictures of the item, and sometimes you can see there's videos or video reviews of the item. If someone watches that video and then purchases the item, you get a kickback or a commission, and you don't have to purchase the items from Amazon. It just has to be sold on Amazon. So just real quickly, because I'm a girl thinking like CoverGirl makeup, I can go to Walmart and buy my CoverGirl makeup, but the exact same CoverGirl makeup is more than likely sold on Amazon. The same thing for like the shampoo that I use and the face wash that I use. I go to Walmart and buy all those things, but Amazon sells so many things. Most of those things are on Amazon. And then, of course, I am a big Amazon shopper too. So anyway, with all of that rambling to say, I want to gauge people's interest in learning more about that program. I had thought about doing a dedicated video all about how you can make money and get paid from reviewing products on Amazon. It is going to require you to have a little bit of a social media following. However, there is a little bit of a way that you can quickly get just enough social media following to get accepted into the program, and then it kind of doesn't matter. So leave in the comments below if you're interested in seeing a video like that. It would require you to talk on like camera or do like a voiceover to record your voice on a microphone and say things about the products. However, you don't have to feature your face in the videos. Now, again, if you want to kind of see examples of what I've done, my links are in the description box and in on my website, but you can just feature the product in the video talking about it. You yourself don't have to be on camera. So again, just let me know in the comments if you're interested in a video like that. If I have enough interest, I am more than happy to kind of go through that whole process. But without rambling on any more, first up we have the company Whatnot. They have 139 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer experience agent. They do say they are a remote first team. They are focused on just firstly being remote work from home. One thing that makes me think this is going to be non-phone support, and we'll get to more of the requirements later, but it says part of the requirements is you need 2 years of support experience in handling email and online chat. And Whatnot is a live streaming shopping platform and marketplace. So it is an online based platform where people are going to be going for things like fashion, video games, streetwear, all kinds of things like that. And so it really sounds like you are going to be solving their problems online through like online chat or through like an app experience. You're just really going to be driving the best possible user experience, helping them with their orders, order management, and problem solving. So you're really interacting with these buyers and sellers in a customer first attitude, making sure they have a positive experience, resolving all of their issues from payments, orders, shipments, general questions about quality, just making sure you answer anything that they have. You will have to work with other departments to help troubleshoot and resolve any open questions that you can't resolve. Now, again, they only require 2 years of customer support. They want somebody who has handled email or chat services in the past. They are going to require you to be available on the weekends and understand how online shopping, e-commerce, and marketplaces work. They're looking for somebody who has obsession with customer service and putting that customer first. Now, while they prefer a bachelor degree or college experience, it's not required. And they are paying anywhere from $24.04 an hour up to $28.85 an hour, depending on your location. And they do give you different benefits like home money to set up your home office and allowances for like wellness, food, cell phone, and internet, things like that. But another job that I think is completely non-phone in-app customer support that is going to give you more flexibility in your scheduling and offer a flexible schedule is going to be the company ClickUp. ClickUp has 374 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. Now, they are looking for a technical support specialist, so you are going to have to be more tech savvy, but they are a all-in-one productivity platform and app that helps flex the way people want to work. And again, this is going to be non-phone customer support. You're going to provide that support on the ClickUp platform itself, so on the online platform. So it's going to be probably like email, website chat, things like that. You're going to perform troubleshooting and testing for their customer base for any technical issues that they're having. You're going to help drive product change and improvement through finding those bugs and issues and enhancement reports to help the customers make ClickUp their leading productivity platform. So of course, if you find bugs, you'll give them up to the engineering team to fix. But when working with customers, if you're also seeing like features that are not there that customers need, you'll let the engineering teams know about those too. So you're just really owning that customer experience, striving towards delivering them the best possible experience that they can have. This does require 2 years of troubleshooting experience in some kind of technical support or customer-facing role. They want somebody who has knowledge of REST APIs, experience in troubleshooting. You have experience with like Chrome developer tools. Somebody who is skilled in explaining complex issues in a very layman terms where you can understand them if you're not tech savvy. So you got to have great communication skills and be detail oriented. Now, one thing about this position, they offer a flexible schedule, so it's kind of, I don't know that it's exactly work when you want to, but you are flexible in the hours that you work. No college degree or anything is needed. They do have some preparations that might get you to the top of the line for an interview. So if you do have a bachelor degree or some kind of certification in tech related experience, or if you have strong experience in the past with CRM platforms or Zendesk, that might get you to the top of the line for an interview. Now, unfortunately, ClickUp did not list the actual pay in the job description. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. But of course, I'm always looking for estimates. And Glassdoor estimates pay anywhere from $46,000 a year up to $73,000 a year for technical support person at ClickUp. Now, that $73,000 a year will be $35 an hour. Keeping it moving, we have a few quality assurance positions to share. Maxar is hiring. They have 87 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a quality assurance specialist that is remote for the United States. Their quality assurance specialist is really going to help their contact center or customer service teams improve their customer service, productivity, and quality. So I always say, if you have great customer service skills, if you've worked in retail and food service and all the things, honing in just your people-pleasing skills and being the best customer service person that you can be, and learning how to word things, there is a skill in wording things to a way that gets the point across and is not you basically bending your rules and policies, but also being so polite that the customer just feels like everything is fine and you did your best for them. So if you've spent years honing your skills, you want to work from home, but you don't want to be on the phone talking on the phone all day, quality assurance and helping train and guide and give feedback to newer customer service people and help them hone their skills the way you did is a great place to be. But for this position particularly, they're looking for somebody who is going to review and target those call, chats, and email evaluations each month. So you're going to review the whole customer service team and do their monthly evaluations. You're also on a weekly basis going to review their performance reporting for all work that's being monitored. You will have to set up and attend monthly meetings with leadership with recommendations to improve performance of the team overall. So you're basically just building strong partnerships with the customer service reps and all of the supervisors. You'll work with the training team, just making sure that all of the feedback is taken, and if people need training or help or coaching, that you are there to help mentor them in that. Now, it does say they do prefer someone who's a bachelor degree, but it is not required. They even specifically say that. You do have to have 2 years experience in either a call center customer contact and 1 year of experience in some kind of quality assurance or leadership management role. So if you've been like a team lead before, so you don't have to have that direct quality assurance as long as you've kind of been a mentor to someone before. Of course, you have to have great listening skills, great problem solving and analytical skills, great communication skills, and the ability to maintain confidentiality, because you're going to be working with people in their employee files and their performance reviews. Now, again, they did not list pay in the job description. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And I could not find an exact match for a job title on Glassdoor, but I found something similar and close. That was a quality assurance specialist. This is a quality assurance analyst. It makes anywhere from $54,000 to $86,000 a year. I assume that quality assurance specialist would make a little bit less than that. So maybe anywhere from $40,000 to $70,000 a year is kind of where my mind would estimate it at. But I keep trying to find estimates for salaries just so you know if it's worth your time applying or not. Next up, another quality assurance position we have is from the company Verra Mobility. They have 320 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a quality assurance specialist. And this is not necessarily customer service based. This one is you're going to review processed events, assessing the accuracy of the action taken by previous processors. So you've got people that are processing different information for the company. And so you're performing the quality checks on open and closed events against established manuals, quality assurance instruments, standards on active business operating procedures, and processing platforms. And you are going to be reviewing those guides and checking against that for the quality. You'll update and document any errors through reporting related to your findings for the quality assurance metrics, processing the escalated queues when needed, just participating in that employee communication sessions, making sure that they have updated manuals, policies, laws, and that they get the feedback that they need. Only 3 to 5 years of processing experience is required. They prefer somebody who does have quality assurance experience, but it's not required as long as you have strong communication, strong problem-solving skills, you're self-motivated, and you can be a multitasker. Now, this one did not list pay. I couldn't find anything on Glassdoor. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Next up is the company Maxar Technologies. They have 711 reviews, an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. Now, they are looking for an accounts payable specialist. This is going to be remote for the United States. And their accounts payable is just working in a fast-paced, detail-oriented environment, processing incoming invoices for multiple different entities or clients, ensuring compliance with company purchasing policies. So you're really going to work closely with the procurement team to resolve any purchase order discrepancies or errors. You're going to establish and maintain relationships with the vendors, generating payment cycles, being mindful of cash forecasts, just managing a customer support mailbox, assisting clients and customers with their payment related questions. So again, any customer support that you're doing with payment related questions is through an email mailbox and is non-phone. You're just going to reconcile the vendor accounts payable records as needed. Now, the only requirements for this one is a high school diploma or GED, that you do have a U.S. citizenship, and that you have 1 year of related work experience, which looks like it can be any work experience. So very minimal actual requirements for this job. Now, they do have some preferred requirements that if you do meet some of these, you might get to the top of the line for an interview. That includes a bachelor degree or knowledge of like basic accounting or accounts payable, someone who can be detail oriented, somebody who can work computer systems very well, specifically navigate those Microsoft Office applications, and somebody who is self-motivated. Now, pay for this one, of course, is going to be dependent on things like experience and location, and because they don't require a lot of experience, the lower end of pay is $14.81 an hour, but can go all the way up to $24.69 an hour. And of course, last but not least, if you don't mind some phone work, this one is going to be a customer service job. Wilson Language Training is hiring. Now, they only have 9 reviews on Glassdoor, so always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have an employee satisfaction rating, though, of 4.2 out of 5 stars. And they are hiring a customer support specialist. Now, I'll do my best in editing to try to get this on the screen. The text on their website runs literally right to the edge of the web page and off the screen. I hate when websites do this. Please indent a little bit. But they are looking for just a basic customer service person to clearly and professionally answer questions through chat, phone, and email. So you're going to maintain and update customer records during these interactions, transactions, and communications. So that might mean that you're taking the customer's name, address, you're making sure their information is up to date in the system, or looking up any transactions if they've ordered things from the company. You're processing the transactions for these language learning materials and subscription offerings. Just ensuring that you follow up on any customer inquiries, just working with them and internal teams to make sure all issues are taken care of. So you are going to have to learn all the company's product, services, and online platforms and what they offer so you can answer these customer questions. Now, this only requires a high school diploma or GED, and 1 year of customer service experience is preferred. It doesn't say it's required. You do have to have great communication skills. You've got to be highly comfortable using a computer and basic internet navigation skills. Now, pay for this one is where this job shines because it doesn't require a whole lot of experience, and pay is anywhere from $40,000 a year all the way up to $56,000 a year. Now, remember, there's only 52 weeks in a year, so at $56,000, that's going to be a little more than $1,000 a week for a basic customer service job. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me and listening to all of my rambling. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Also, don't forget, let me know down below in the comments if you'd be interested in a video all about how you can review products on Amazon and make money. If you enjoyed anything that I share, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.